everyone! Welcome back to Sydney and Starlette, and if you're new here,
welcome!
Welcome! Enjoy the videos! So today, me and Sydney are going to be doing a science project. Kids Labs Micro Rocket. It's time to be a rocket scientist. Just add vinegar and baking soda, and with it, go. 3, 2, 1, let's start! So on the back, it says that you put some vinegar and baking soda, and then you close it, and then you shake gently, and then keep your distance, and then blast off! So that's all there is to it. Alright, so me and Sydney are going to go outside to launch this. But first, me and Sydney have to open this. Alright, Sydney, take it out. Take it out. Okay, so here it is. Here we go! Well, there you have it, folks. So that is it for today's video, everyone. We really hope you all enjoyed it, and we will see you all next time. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!